Hello friends, has he told you that I will make a new video for this video is for the draft planets. So friends, now look what is draft planets. So friends, let's discuss what is solar system copy draft planet. So friends, welcome to the solar system. Friends, in this video we will just talk for the draft planets. Because in our part 1 we had already discussed for the planets, moons and its structures. So friends, let's move and study what is dwarf planets. So friends, dwarf planet is a planet that is too small planet like Pluto, Ceres, Eris, Humania and Neptune. Let's see. You can see here there are 5 dwarf planets. First we goes to Ceres. You can see this is Ceres. Let's visit to Ceres. You can see this is Ceres. Friends, you can see here is the spelling and here also written that is dwarf planet. You can see this is Ceres. This is Ceres. So now look, this is, and friends, in my ending of this video, I will show you who give the right answer of my question. There are first 10 peoples, but I am shame and tells you that there are only one person who answers. So now I will show you his name and with his answer. So friend, don't forget to answer my question. But now nothing will happen if you answer also, because we have one question in this, not that before one. So friends, see this. Now we will run out is encyclopedia. You can see here it has a quarterly diameter 974 kilometer, mass. I think you can read this up to here. Up to here you can read this full. Up to here. After that I will explain you more about this planet. So friends, I think that you had read this. If you not, so you can pause the video and see. So friends, now move to Ceres. Is the only dwarf planet located in inner solar system. Though it is the smallest dwarf planet, Ceres is still the largest object in the asteroid belts. It accounts for nearby 1.5-3 of the mass of the asteroid belts. Now you can read here the discovery of Ceres as the dwarf planet. Ceres was discovered in 18th century for 15 years it was classified as a planet. After the discovery of more bodies between Mars and Jupiter, it was demoted to status of an asteroid. Since in 2006, Ceres is classified as a dwarf planet. We heard that so many planets have so many like 5 planets you can see dwarf, Uranus, and then planets called the, has called the dwarf planet from 2006 and 2006 only. Now you can read about water. Approximately 1.5 of Ceres' weight is considered to be the water which bird gives the earth. Ceres more fresh water than there is one earth. It is also possible that Ceres has the layer of liquid water ocean in its entire. You can see missions. The NASA Dawn spacecraft is to be the first of the explore Ceres is in February 2015. Due to the abundance of ice, water and minerals, Ceres could several has the continent site for manned landings as well as a launching point for deep space missions. So this much only is about the Ceres, the dwarf planet. Let's move to the second one, which is Eris. You can see Eris. So friends, this is Eris. So friends, this is Eris, the dwarf planet. Now let's play. I think you can read from here to here by your own. If you could not read in less time, you can pause the video and see. Discovery in January. This discovery has been discovered in 2005. Eris is the first dwarf planet from the Sun. It is also the most massive and the second largest non-dwarf planet in the solar system. Has the ninth largest most massive object known to directly orbit the Sun. Eris was briefly referred to as the 10th planet. Eris was officially classified as dwarf planet in August 2006. We had seen this in Eris also, that is also discovered in 2006. Eris also discovered in 2006. The dwarf planet Eris is also has dwarf planet. There are 5 dwarf planets. Let's move to its orbit. It is highly inverse orbit that takes Eris up to the over 3 times as far from the Sun as Pluto. Apart from the long period comets, Eris and its moon are currently the most distant known natural object in the solar system. Atmosphere. Eris is often so far from the Sun that its atmosphere collapses and freezes on the surface in a grassy graze as Eris moves closer to the Sun. It is accepted that the surface will warm up and reveal a rocky surface. So friends, this much we had know about the Eris, the dwarf planet. We can see how it's rotates. Look friends, it's moved like this. It's moved in 30 minutes and seconds time forward. You can see actually it moves like this, slowly. But we moved it without this, It's moved like this. So friends, now we discover the another planet, that is dwarf planet Humania. So friends, we can see Humania. Humania is a you can see Humania is very round one. Oval I think this is oval planet, you can see. Now we will come to Expodia. I think this is Humania has a dwarf planet. I think you can read from year to year as you want. Let's move to discovered and in December 2004, Humania is the third closest dwarf planet from the Sun, has the fastest spinning large object in the solar system. Shape: Humania extremely enclosed is probably caused by its rotate. So, repeat it turns Humania into the axis. And it is the least serious and dwarf planet. Origin: in the early solar system, Humania may have been much like Pluto, composed half of rock and half of water. Billions of years ago, a large object intrusive of coal with the body knocking most of the surface ice away from imparting a rib spine of dwarf planet. Moons. Humania has two moons. The largest, Hecla, is only about one has massive and Humania, while the smaller Mamaka weighs only about a tenth much. But moons are thought to be composed of almost pure water ice, which may have originally come from Humania itself. We can see how it's rotating. You can see it's rotating like this. This is the fastest way that the same day and same night we will dawn on. Then it must not be like this. So friends, now let's move to our fourth planet, Makemake. You can see this is Makemake. Let's visit to Makemake. So friends, I can tell you the discovery of about this name. So friends, this discovery is suggested by this scientist only. Scientists only name the planet. This is Makemake, the dwarf planet. If you can't understand my handwriting, you can see here it's written Makemake, the dwarf planet. Let's move to explore. I think you can read from here to here by pausing the video. So discovered in March 2005, Makemake is the second further dwarf planet of the Sun. It is also the third largest planet, just smaller and dimmer than Pluto. Composition: Makemake surface is covered with largest amount of almost pure matter ice, which makes the dwarf planet appear reddish-brown in color. Lack of data: Makemake and Funda was the least well known as the large Neptune object. The discovery of the only known moon of the dwarf planet Makemake, optionally named as 2050. 136472 Hubble Space Telescope in 2016 allowed Makemake mass to be determined. So friends, you can see this is Makemake. You can see how it is rotating in its axis. If you move to this keep same day and time. You can see how it's moving. Let's move the last and fifth one, Pluto. So friends, we can see this. This is our Pluto. Let's move to his X. You can see this. This is Pluto. I think you can read from here to here. I will just read that one. Pluto is the largest object in the Kuiper Belt. It is also the largest and the second most massive known dwarf planet in our solar system. Massive tilt like Venus, Pluto is named on its side with the axial tilt of 120 degrees during the extreme seasonal derivative. Has created 1/4 of the planet in the continuous day and night and 1/4 in continuous darkness. Pluto has 5 known moons: Chaco, Nix, Hydra, Cerberus, and Istria. Pluto and Chaco are sometimes discovered as the binary system because the binary center of their orbit does not lie within either body. Discovered in 1993 by astronomers Cyril Tolman. Pluto was originally classified as the ninth planet from the Sun. However, the discovery of the similar-sized object within the Kuiper Belt and proposed the International Atomic Unit to reclassifying Pluto in 2006 a dwarf planet. France, Pluto is the dwarf planet is classified the ninth planet from the solar system. Means after the Uranus and Neptune, it is the ninth planet. Let's move to its structure. You can see its structure. Core is there, mantle is there, and crust is there. And in crust there is a nitrogen gas, ice, and mantle butter ice, and core dense solid rock. So friends, now we see how it is rotating. In its axis, you can see how it's rotating. Let's see. Keep same day night time. It's not the same how it's moving. So friends, let's ending the video. Before that, I could tell you that I had promised to you to tell the name of the person. The name of the person who gave the correct answer. So friends, let's move. Who gave the correct answer? So friends, you can see he is only the one who gave the correct answer 1 day ago. So friends, bye bye, and if you enjoy watching my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.